change. Watch his style. Watch his style. Boy. All right. All right. All right. Come in. Stop his style. Watch his style. Watch his style. Who know the crowd? Who can do it? Who can do it? Who can do it? Who can do it? Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Yeah. Right here. Come on, give it up together. Better than that. Thank you, children. We got more coming. We've got more coming. Thank the drummers. We've got more coming. Come on, hey. Wait. Here we go. Little ones. Here we go. Here we go. They get it even smaller. Come on. They're getting even tinier, people. Here we go now. Chuck. Here we go now. Come on, clap your hands, keep dancing. Come on. Here we go now. Hey. Here we go now. 2, 1, 2, 3. Hey. Come on. Come on, we gotta cheer the babies on. Let me get for the babies. Come on now. Western Union Cultural Stage. Here we go. Festival time. We're not quite done yet. What on the engineer? You see what I do? Turn up the microphone right there, so engineer. You see what I do? Sound up your voice for me here. Check. Hold on and make sure this is up. Check. Come on now. We gotta give it up for the kids right here. This is the Western Union Cultural Stage. We believe in the children. We believe in the future. Come on, put that together for these kids now. Come on now. What? Woo! Yes, mama. Yes, mama. Give me. Ah, still. Where's that young man that came on stage earlier? Where's the young man that came on stage earlier? I have a gift from Western Union for you now. It's a pity they walk off already, but I want to tell you, don't move a muscle. Because what we have coming up is a treat. In fact, I'm told that we have some free ice cream that's going to be given away right here from this stage for one of the performances coming up. But before that, I need to tell you about a group called Etosi. And Etosi Books, they're going to be dramatizing some of course, the written works that they have. Yes, my brethren, respect. I have a prize for you. Can I get the Western Union prize for this young man that came on stage earlier, please? Give me a Western Union back, please. Make a Western Union back, please, my friend. Yes, for this gentleman that came on stage. Would you don't mind coming around for the photo op, please, sir? Because you were very, very good. I like when people come on stage and participate, you know what I mean? Thank you so much, Maxine. He's coming around. So Maxine, they can give it to him, you know. Shake him and give it to him, deliver it. Okay, Etosi Brooks, thank you so much. I didn't see the R. So Etosi Brooks, they're going to be dramatizing from, of course, a book reading right here this afternoon. Young man, come on stage, but let the people see you. Sir, step up now, sir. Maxine, let the man that can go up on the stage, sir. Eh? How are you, sir? Who are you?
Mikel.
This is Mikel. Hold on, take it down for me. Who's playing some music right here? Thank you. You're good, Daddy. Mikel, where are you from? Where are you from, Mikel?
America.
Alright, Mikel, I'm going to say something to you, father. Mikel, say I'm from America? Mikel, where are your parents from?
Jamaica.
I understand the confusion then. So because you have Jamaican parents that grew up like a Jamaican in the house, don't it, Mikel?
Yes.
Speak some Jamaican for me. Let me hear you say, Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Yeah, man, I'm authentic, man, I'm roots, see. I'm authentic. Let me hear you say, big up Grace Jamaica Jerk Festival.
Big up Fraser.
Big up Western Union Stage.
Big up Western Union.
Alright. Them can dance?
I dance them one dance.
I dance them one dance up here?
Yeah, man.
Who you tell them? CMB, before Etosi come on there. I know all the kids me say no. Before Etosi, CMB. 1 second up on the stage. 1 second, CMB. Them say them want that. Who can dance? You can dance, young man. What's your name?
Landon.
What's your name, sir?
Landon.
Them foreign name you beat me body now. What you say, sir? Landing?
Yes.
Like go plane and landing? London? Like the city? I don't know me. We are landing. Your mother is here?
Yeah.
Show me mommy. And mommy, you don't give a name then? So what's his name, mommy? Who got it on the birth certificate? Landing. Like the pilot said, getting ready for landing. You know she about parade. They're gonna dance. Mommy sweet, you have something to dance? Mommy see if you have something to dance. Look here, you're gonna do a dance to me right now.